But thank you guys so much for coming along with me for...
What's the opposite of coming?
If you got a problem, just give me a ring. I'll fix it with my speed. You get the anti-hero guarantee, the one you can trust. With heavy drops to hit and heroes in the house, and we don't quit.
So, I just wanted to react to this video real fast. You know Slice of Toma, guys, right? You know Toma. Well, I always like watching VTubers build their first PC, or build a PC in general, because I like seeing how bad they are at it. That's just how it is. I like seeing how bad they are at building PCs. Alright.
Not straight.
No wonder your thing is at 99% GPU.
No, it's fine.
There's 99% dust in there.
Okay.
There you go.
Pull that. It's all black.
99% dust.
What's up, guys? Toma Vtuber here. Tomato Girl.
Hi, Toma. Hi, Tomato.
Today we're gonna get a little silly with it. We're going to be finally building a new PC. We have a...
Is that her PC to the right? That is an old-ass design. This design-wise, like design philosophy, that is definitely an older...
new model debut, and I tried it out with this PC and it almost exploded. The CPU was at 99% utilization and 90 degrees Celsius. But yes, we've got
That's... I think a better cooler and better airflow will probably help.
big fat PC case right here because we're going to be getting a new sexy slightly dirty graphics card, and it is none other than a 4070 Ti. So we're gonna shove
Alright,
big bad
decent.
boy into this big bad boy and get some wet game.
This is a good mesh case.
My editor's going to hate me. Other than that, we've got a couple friends of us here today. Right here we have Gil, aka Winston Noodles. Yippee! Look how short he is. Short king.
Wow.
Wow.
More than one way!
I don't know how to take that. Short king in more than one way.
And then we also have a new friend right here. Everyone say hi to...
Raz LOL. I'm a League of Legends caster slash analyst slash interviewer. I do a lot
Okay, video over, bye.
of things there.
Surely nothing can go wrong. Little squarish, but it is pretty small. And then we've got the beloved hole in the back of my PC.
Oh my god, what?
Computussy.
Oh, no, that was my first thought, but I'm like, where your IO shield, Toma? Toma, where's your IO shield? Where's the IO shield, Toma? I also understand why you didn't put it in. Like, that shit's like annoying.
Why is the GPU port not straight? What are you talking about?
The side can easily come off.
Ooh, there it is.
Oh, and she's naked.
Oh, cover your eyes. Ah!
Why is it so
Ah.
There's like hair coming out from under the
Hair? Toma, did
Yeah, that sounds about right.
No, I've never cleaned this since it was built. So
Well, that's obvious.
it's been, I think, 2 years.
No wonder your thing is at 99% GPU.
No, it's fine.
There's 99% dust in there.
We got a dust family in there.
Honestly, this is a good case. I think it could have been cable managed much better.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
We're evicting entire dust neighborhoods.
Wow. Okay, I'm assuming I shouldn't just try to pull it out.
Well, there should be like screws or whatever it's holding it in place. Like a thing you can push down, it'll release. Okay, how about take out the cables first? Well, let's start easy.
Start simple.
Start with the kids.
Start easy.
Yes, pull it
How do
out.
I pull it out?
What do you mean by that?
Tomo does not know how to pull out, guys.
Oh, there we go.
There you go.
Okay.
There you go.
I pulled out. Alright.
Very good, very good. So, like underneath where it pinches to the motherboard.
Okay. Okay. How are they having issues with this? Toma, get some new help.
Oh my god. Wait. I can do this. Do you need help? Please ask. No, I need to do this by myself. I only have 3 lifelines. It literally didn't even work.
It did work. Like, I did find the thing that I was talking about, but it's still like the GPU is still stuck. It's connected on like the thing.
How about you unscrew the GPU first before trying to remove it? How about you do that? Because it's still going to be stuck at... It's still going to be put down at one point. How about you unscrew it first, then look for the latch, and then you could pull it out.
Here.
What the hell you say?
Like this screw here?
Wow, he got it.
This is just the plastic.
They're all saying yes.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Alright, there we go. We have our first piece down.
Huge.
Little screw over there.
Okay, yeah, it is latched.
What do I have to do now?
Yeah, actually, this is still the continuation of the first lifeline, so.
Okay.
Oh, it's
So,
coming
yeah,
out.
yeah.
There we go. You did it.
So, what's next on the menu?
I would say more cables.
Get more?
Yeah, the more
Just
cables we remove.
start with the cables.
6.5 hours later.
You are really struggling with this.
This is the first screw,
Why is it so tough?
Wait, it's not supposed. Is it loose?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Oh, I thought I was supposed to take it all the way out.
No, those things don't come all the way out.
What? The ones on my old PC came all the way out.
Yeah, but this is like one of those doors where like it just needs to be loose and it pops out.
I didn't know that.
Oh, this one did come out.
Oh, so they don't come out, huh?
You told me.
Well, she was screwing for years. What are you talking about? I could have. Guys, look, I could have had another baby by the time you kept screwing. I trusted you that these are the screws that don't come out, and I was like, okay, surely it's not because she's weak.
Whoa!
Oh my god! Jesus Christ!
Wow.
Oh, no need to Hulk out.
Oh my
okay,
God.
Marvel Rivals?
Now you can lift it up and put it to the side.
It's about to happen all over again. I can't.
There we go.
You're gonna kill it.
There we go. Lift it up.
Okay, this one came
Now put it
much
to
more
the side.
Holy shit. I feel like we need to send you to a nursing home. I'm not that old yet, okay? Relax. Chill out. Anyways, first step would be the power supply. Motherboard. No, everyone said motherboard first.
Motherboard,
I think
please.
most people do motherboard first,
You
but
guys are boring. Okay, we'll do the motherboard first. Motherboard.
the big,
Do we put it
the
here or
big black
here?
box. Motherboard is gonna go on the. It's gonna be vertically
Oh,
mounted.
like this way.
So yeah, you're gonna want to lay the case on the side.
Ugh. Okay. So where does that go? Like right here?
There should be holes to line up where the motherboard will be. I'm guessing.
I'm in pain right now.
Yeah,
Why do I
maybe
do this to
holes where
myself?
it'll be. Oh, do standoffs first. Yes.
What is a standoff? Plastic pieces that keep you from shorting out your motherboard.
They're,
Yeah.
they're
The
not
motherboard
plastic
is
though.
What
Yeah.
is a standoff?
Are these might be the standoffs?
Oh, you know what? I'm looking at the manual.
Yeah, get
Oh,
the manual.
yeah, that might be a good idea. Okay, let's
Yeah,
do
this
the
is when we
paper.
start looking at the manual.
Yeah.
Here's your
No, those.
Hey!
Do you want to clean it?
Oh, yeah.
Do we have
Oh,
a?
shit, I not touch that part. Wait 1 second.
Dangling.
How do I clean it? How do I clean it?
You're just slanging it. We don't have a duster.
Soap and water.
I'm in pain. Why did I do this? I'm in pain.
A blow, like a duster, a blow thing would work.
Can I just blow on it from the side? I'm gonna blow on it.
Huh?
What direction should I put it in? The holes go at the back. What? Face the ports towards like this?
No, the back.
This is-
The back is here, guys.
This way? Is this the right direction?
I think so.
No.
You think so?
Well, like the fan in that direction.
Oh, this way.
Yeah.
Yes. That is. Yes.
No.
Yes.
Stop.
Oh God, please!
Please.
No!
What kind of help did Toma get? What kind of help did they... What... Toma, what help did you grab? What kind of help did you grab?
There it is.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Perfect.
It's in.
You know, at this point, my PC building has gone much faster where I can build a bare bones in 30 minutes now.
Yep. Gil is an expert.
Cool.
It does say to connect the cables for front I/O.
Okay, nice. There's a lot of cables over here.
That's gonna be
Just because
terrible.
I think it's gonna be on the other side.
Okay. We're so back. We're so back.
Should be the last. Yeah.
Does it fit like that? You just slide it in.
Oh my
It should
fuck.
be better. Whether it fits or not, we're about to find out.
Oh no.
Not bad, not bad.
Here, I'm scared. I have trauma associated
Oh,
with it.
true.
What the fuck are you doing? That is how you put it in, but just...
Get in there! Why are there so many? Oh my god. Come out.
You can't just tell somebody to come out.
2025, don't be scared.
Oh, it's in there. Alright, the step box is
Wow.
not stuck anymore. We're good.
Yep, that's how you do it.
Nice.
Well done, well done.
Ally. Okay, now we put the frame back in?
Okay, it's about that time.
Oh yeah.
Okay. You could... Alright, what you should have done first, Tom, alright? You screw the frame, the bracket, whatever you call it, onto the power supply first, and then slide the power supply into the PC, so you don't have to worry about that afterwards.
I just joined in. What am I hearing?
Guys, peg each other right now! Right now!
Yeah, you're right. I think everything we've kind of done.
So let's just put the cables?
Yeah. Do you want to do the cables now, or do you want to do the
Cables now, because GPU should be last.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this is where the audio goes to, but I just don't know which cable's
Yeah,
audio.
which cable? What cable?
It says it on there.
Fucking same.
There's option number 1, that's like 4 things.
Alright, hey, they're pegged differently, alright? They're pegged slightly differently, and usually on the case, on the cable itself, it will say HD audio, or USB or whatever on it. Alright, read.
Option number 2 with a 4. And those are the only options?
Nope. And
Those are
option number
fans.
3, which is exactly like option number 2.
Option number 3 that's longer, but has the 4.
Those are fans.
Yeah.
What are we thinking, guys? All of those cables are incorrect. There should be another one.
Flashback.
It does say to connect the cables for front I/O.
End of flashback.
Apparently, the HD audio cable is colored.
Color.
No.
Every wire is black.
Oh, you can't say that. That's not what I meant.
This hurts as a PC builder.
Oh my god. What? Is it colored? Does it have the right shape?
It was stuck under the power supply. I'm gonna lose my.
Cables for front I/O.
I'm gonna lose my mind.
I'm gonna make him lose it.
I'm gonna make freaking lose it.
Oh!
This was under the power supply.
Oh
The
my
en-
god!
Okay, and then
How
this
you-
goes here.
A few years later.
Oh my.
Now we have this little funny cables, and then I think we want to lay this flat
Yeah,
while installed.
yeah.
Wait, does it go this way?
I'm just checking to see if. I'm just checking to see if.
No,
it
no, no.
fits.
It goes this way. Like the metal part should face the
Oh, is
outside.
that what the little top thingies are?
So it should face this.
Are these shields? The fans face downwards, okay?
Yeah, fans should be down, which is this way. This way is down.
So you need to take the top 3 off. I took these off. Also, remove any
Clint?
stickers. Pew is
I
at
love you.
2.5, so you need to take off the top 3. Okay, so Gil is wrong. Everyone point and laugh at him.
Clint
I'm pointing and laughing at all of you.
is our goat. Honestly, the cable management complaint is getting a little more accurate.
Here,
Is it in?
hold. I'll move this.
Yes, Toma, that's how it connects.
2
to the
more
left.
minutes till my suffering is over.
You should hear a click when it goes in.
Take off the plastic on the connector.
The connector.
Where's the connector? The rubber bits? Where the PCIe pin is, not those. You see the plastic cover on the GPU?
This?
take the cover
Oh,
off.
this.
Wow.
Take that out.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, that.
Oh.
Where did you find your help, Toma? Where did you find your help?
We stink again.
Are the cables good?
We will have to redo, or
Oh.
it's like a little tight around some areas.
It's just tight.
Oh.
I think the last thing is to connect the cable. Like, maybe we like remove some of the cables so it's not like.
Wait, what was this? What was this? It came with the GPU.
For the power?
Oh, did we have to plug in another cable earlier too? Did we do that already? To the GPU?
No, we did not.
Oh, where is that?
How do you not know where cables are?
Line it up.
I'm like scared to push it too much.
Hold the GPU and press it inside with some pressure.
Okay, I think it's, yeah, now it's in. Like, you see how there's no like space between the two
Gotcha,
plastics?
gotcha. Cool. Sick! So we did it!
Thanks a lot, guys.
Oh,
You did mostly, yeah.
Oh my god, guys. That was a journey. That was
That
an
was a
adventure.
journey.
Oh man.
Thank you guys for coming along. Oh yeah.
This was indeed.
Also, Toma, you kind of a little bit of design philosophy, like part picking philosophy here. You've got that ITX motherboard, and what looks to be an ATX case. There's nothing wrong with it. Well, it fits. You've got plenty of room to work with. That's probably the best, that is probably something, you know, an advantage there. If you're not used to building PCs, you've given yourself lots of space. But as a PC builder, I'm like, that's a lot of fucking empty space. There's no beauty there.
And I appreciate you guys in the chat. Really, I really appreciate you guys in the
Oh
chat.
my gosh.
Instead of coming,
The PC journey.
a lot of things wrong.
If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to tick that notification bell.
I did not. I was in a lot of pain. I did not like this video. I was in a lot of pain. Where did you find your help?